Okay, take a big breath in for me, Bingo.
Do you think we can go home soon, Doctor?
We might just keep you in.
I want to go home.
I don't give a shit!
Oh, look. Dad sent us a message. It's a video.
Can I push play?
Yeah, go on.
Hi, I'm Barnacus. It's Bingo!
Bruh.
What Barnacus wanted more than anything in the world was a
Dragon!
I really want a
Dragon!
Here's your
We.
Barnacus.
These
We.
are nice, but what I really want is my very own.
Dragon!
Oh, Twinkly Star, please may I have a.
Dragon!
No!
I will call you Bumpy. Barnacus and Bumpy went everywhere together. I'll have. Then one day, Barnacus woke up to discover that Bumpy was.
I have AIDS.
Oh no, Bumpy's.
I have AIDS.
But no one knew how to.
Bob the Builder, can we fix it?
Shopkeeper, please can you help Bumpy?
Sorry, I only know how to sell.
We.
Hi, Bulay.
Do you like waffles? No. Do you like pancakes?
No!
Do you like French toast?
No! God, please, no!
Don't worry, Bumpy. The wise old wolfhound will be able to magic you better.
Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-day, your mother has the super gay!
Oh, wise old wolfhound, Bumpy.
I have AIDS.
I am not a
Dragon!
doctor. I need a pair of purple underpants from someone who's never.
I have AIDS.
Oh, yes, I had
AIDS.
it last year. Shopkeeper, the wise old wolfhound's gonna help my
Dragon!
Oh, well, yes. I've got.
AIDS.
baker lady. Have you ever?
I have AIDS.
I was sick last week. Oh, I had.
AIDS.
But you couldn't find a single person that's never.
I have AIDS.
Oh, everyone gets
AIDS.
sometimes.
AIDS.
Again!
No!